doing, guys? We are getting started on our winter firewood. We've got to put up 20 cords.
Yep.
So sadly, we've done 2 trips. We'll get this stuff stacked, and we've got to do 18 more. So we've been at it for about, I don't know, what, 3 hours now?
Yeah, not very long.
Somewhere around there, so not too long, but the worst part now is stacking.
It's a good start.
So anyway, tag along. That piece not the right one, or what?
No, it's not. find the right one. Oh gosh. See how good that looks now? Perfect. How's that look?
Really good. So what are we doing?
It's perfect. So this is kind of my base. Now I take pieces like this, and I stack them against there. Like so all winter, we tried stacking our wood like this one year, but all those bottom pieces froze to the ground. So now we stack them like this, and it's so much easier because all that freezes to the ground is just a little bit, and you can just take another piece of wood, you know, knock it a little bit. That comes loose so much easier than those ones that are laying on the ground. They just are stuck.
So we'll get this stuff out of the road. You're probably asking why on the earth would we want to dump this pile here and then restack it? But you see this stuff that we're standing in? Imagine having this all froze to the ground.
Times 20.
Times 20 cords and tripping over this all winter long. So it's nice to dump it out and then we clean up between piles and makes it a lot nicer.